Next question is question number 11. Look at here. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. So this is a TV tower they have given already. So from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. So this is a point on the other bank and directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. Next, from another point 20 meters away from this line joining the point to the foot of the tower. So this is the line joining the foot of the tower like this. So horizontal line. The point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So we need to find the height of this tower and the width of this canal also. So let us see what I am going to do. Question number 11. So here this is a figure they have mentioned already. So here the angle is 30 degrees, and if you observe from here, angle is 60 degrees, and this is 20 meters. So let us take this height of the tower is h and the width of the canal is x. So they mentioned A, B, C, D. So we don't need to do anything. AB is equal to what? Height of tower, that will be is equal to h. BC is equal to x. Since this is assumption, this is width of canal. So how can I write? From triangle ABC, 1 minute. From triangle ABC, what can I write? This is ABC, and this is 90 degrees, this will be h, and this will be x, and this will be 60. So then you will get tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent h by x. This is root 3 is equal to h by x. H is equal to root 3 x. This is the height. So next let us go for from triangle ABD. So this is triangle ABD. So this will be h, and this will become what? 20 plus x. So the angle will be 30. The same way, tan 30 is equal to same h by 20 plus x. Opposite by adjacent. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 20 plus x, cross multiplication. So 20 plus x is equal to root 3 h. So what is the value of h again? Same root 3x. 20 plus x is equal to root 3 into root 3x. So 20 plus x is equal to root 3 into root 3 square, that is 3. This is 3 into x. Send x this side. 20 is equal to 3x minus x. 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 upon 2, that is 10 meters. So the value of x will be what? So 10 meters. That means the width of the canal is 10 meters. So then we got h also directly. What is h? Root 3 into 10. That will be 10 root 3 meters will be what? Height of the what we call this? Tower. So the figure they have given, if they won't mention figure also, we should be in a position that we need to draw the figure. So if they don't have figure, what we have to do? See, a TV tower stand vertically on a bank. This is a bank, so you need to consider, and this stood vertically like this. From a point on the other bank directly. So this is a bank, so let us take this as a bank. So this is a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees like this. Next, what they have mentioned, so from a point 20 meters away from the point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower. So this is a point which is line joining this one. So from this point, this is a point away 20 meters away from the line joining the foot of the, this is the foot of the tower, this is the line joining of that. So this will be 20 meters at the 20 meters. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So this is about the figure. And find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So how we are going to frame the question? In this way we are going to frame the question, and the procedure will be same. So here first case I taken this figure, and h by x I got tan 60 is equal to, that is easy, h is equal to root 3x. And second case we have taken total figure, then what you get? this will become 20, this will become x, 20 plus x. Don't write 20x, students write it as 20x. 20x is different, 20 plus x is different. If it is 20, if it is 30, you'll do 20 plus 30, 50. But we won't do that 20 plus 20 into 30. 20 into 30 is what? 600 it will become. It won't be like that. So it will become 20 plus x and it will be h. Make use of tan 30 relation, you will get the value of x. Put x here, you will get h. This is about the question number 11.